What's going on, everyone? This is your man Ant, back with another CryptoFix recap presented by btminers, your place for everything crypto. Also, make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be notified the next time we drop new videos. Let's jump right into it. In our first story, according to blockworks.co, a new Coinbase report found that 19% of New Yorkers own crypto, which equates to roughly 1/5 of New Yorkers. When it comes to owning crypto, this makes New York one of the top states in the U.S. California, New Jersey, Washington, Colorado, Utah, Florida, Alaska, Nevada, and Massachusetts are also on that list. New York is also on Coinbase list of top 10 states with the largest average value of cryptocurrency owned by a crypto owner, meaning that it has its fair share of whales. As part of the Exchange United States of Crypto Projects, Coinbase surveyed New Yorkers to understand how residents are approaching digital assets. Roughly 1 in 3 New York residents surveyed found that cryptocurrency makes the financial system more fair. Overall, Coinbase notes the state has nearly 700 blockchain organizations, and over 50% of Fortune 100 companies have pursued different intensive focus on crypto, Web3, or blockchain. Back in June, Coinbase released a larger study focused on the state of crypto. It found that roughly 80% of Fortune 500 companies are taking a look at Web3 despite the ongoing tariff regulator environment. Approximately 90% of the participants are of the belief that policymakers should establish novel rules and regulations to oversee technology rather than relying on the significancy of enforcing existing laws. To crack down on crypto's rampant fraud and dysfunction, I found this story very interesting due to the fact that in other studies it says only 10% of people in the United States hold Bitcoin, and I can see why people are gravitating to Bitcoin in the New York sector. Let us know in the comments, you think that New York can actually push the value of crypto? In our second story, where will Bitcoin be after the halving? According to Coindesk.com, as mentioned previously, all Bitcoin miners were looking heavily at their operations and how to increase output and efficiency post-halving. The integration of flare gas solutions and the exploration of nuclear power are but two solutions being pursued by Bitcoin mining industry. Efforts are also made to enhance the efficiency of mining hardware and to adopt renewable energy sources like solar, wind, and hydropower. As someone who worked in petroleum industry as a drilling engineer, working offshore on drilling rigs while spinning Bitcoin mining pools, understanding how Bitcoin becomes a well-oiled machine begins with the efficiency and long-term availability of Bitcoin mining. Here's my point of view once the halving of Bitcoin happens. The rich were able to continue to mine due to any deals they will make with any electric company, leaving the rest of us to shut down our own miners. I always thought of Bitcoin for the people, by the people, but the ultra-wealthy will still find a way to profit where everyone else struggle. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. In BT Miner news, the Ice River Miner series is available now. Link will be in the description. Also, check out the unboxing, setup, and profitability of the Ice River KSO Miner redone. We will be doing an unboxing, setup, and profitability of Bitmain Ant Miner KS3 as well in a later video. Stay tuned for that. This is your man Ant with the CryptoFix recap presented by BT Miners, your place for everything crypto. I will see you next time. Happy mining.